none of it. Pampers and Jubilee.
Echoes device of the workless sperm donor.
A Jackie Chuani, enough for me pick me Anna. Due to all she yet make him bad, just like me Anna. I saw me nobody else than Oya. The first time my baby start calling Walter, I saw me know say him a the father. Mama said, me can't get son, only daughter. I'm sure my sperms do a show in the river water.
This workless sperm donor. Him say no him a the owner. Him say he never sick a raise chicken yet. So when him hear saying for raise pitney, him fret. Lord, take the case and give me the pillar. What a workless sperm donor. You prefer for waste government precious time and contribute under pressure? We have to over your back to make you take your responsibility and behave like a father? Me asking as a concern, madam. Where was the judge during the pleasure? Oh, you know mind your pitney but can supply every man in your community with crates of liquor. Instead of being a proud father and freely contribute to your son, you prefer to be a workless sperm donor. You shame tree dead or a so-called fame you prefer? Me I beg you, just be a father to your son. No force him to take up no gun. That nah go bring no fun. Your son a more than star, so help him shine brighter than the sun. Thank you, workless sperm donor. Your sperm produce a treasure. Him walk like you, smile like you. Him fit perfectly in our creator's plan. Him have better character than you and will be a better person, father and man.